Oh my god, this is my first time talking to a Jamaican.
Well, baby, you don't know. I'm gonna pop the cherry then now.
So does every guy in Jamaica get a big safari dick?
Well, you know, Jamaica is a big place, and you know, I know everybody that blessed still.
I mean, it doesn't have to be as big as safari, but I know you almost got 9s and stuff over there.
Well,
Oh, well, 7?
well, really, listen, what is size really? Cause, you know, how you measure it? You measure it from the end of the shaft or you include the balls?
Are you really serious? You slide in my DM with a 6-inch dick? Are you serious? You're a waste of time. Why are you even talking to me?
Hold on,
I don't even like guys
just
like
hold on
you.
a second.
Alright? Why are you even
yo,
talking to me?
Tyrese.
Come on, man. Are you done?
Come talk to the girl.
Again, what going baby? Me and say I want a safari thing, you know, I have a street and what going, alright?
I'm so low right now. I can't believe it. Yeah, oh God. I'm just getting wet. Oh my God.